Well, just got back from a four-wheel drive weekend. A little bit of carnage, ripped the flare off, but I'm going to show you how to wash your four-wheel drive and make it all razzmatazz for the week coming up. So the first thing we're going to do is soak underneath the vehicle so that the mud and clay can soften up, and we'll come back later on and wash it out properly. In the engine bay, we use a degreaser or another cleaning agent that can soak into the mud and grime, but always make sure that the engine is nice and warm. It'll help the engine dry out after you finish washing the car. Different parts of the process will require a different nozzle. This is a rotating nozzle, and it will be used for most of the job. If your pressure washer has a foaming attachment, use that now to apply a foam across the whole vehicle and let that soak in for a minute or two. Always have roughly a 30 centimetre gap between the tip of the pressure washer nozzle and anything that looks sensitive like hoses, wires, radiator fins. Be careful with the high pressure water around things like seals, universal joints, CV boots and other items that might be damaged by high pressure water. Now the technique is to wash all of the foam and mud from the top of the four-wheel drive down onto the ground. Now that the mud under the four-wheel drive has been soaking for a little bit, it's time to get rid of it all. Once you finish under the four-wheel drive, it's time just to give the whole car another rinse off. That's basically how you're going to wash your four-wheel drive. All I'm going to do now is use my foamer to put a liquid polish on the four-wheel drive, and that's going to make sure next time I go wheeling, everything's just nice and easy to keep clean. All right guys, I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.